So I'm making this video to show how to wind this because I had so much trouble trying to find a video on doing so. This one's the HimaPro. I purchased on Amazon. There are other ones with similar features, if not exactly the same features, with different names. So it came with instructions on how to put it together, so I'm not going to worry about that, but no instructions on how to wind it, and I could not find for the life of me instructions on how to do this, and my winder on my machine broke. So you put that there, feed the thread through this guy like that. Okay, then there's a little hole right there. You see that? And this is going to go through there. So you can see it's through there. This is your tension winder that you can set the tension on. I just kind of winged it. So wrap that around this way. Okay, so also make sure it's through this tension disc right there. And you'll feel it. It should be tight. Put it through the top there like you normally do. Then you should be able to just hit start. It winds very fast. I hit stop. So it's not too full. Hopefully that's okay. And I hope that helps someone else not lose their mind trying to figure out how to use this thing. All right.